What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Now for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change out the battery on your Genesis Coupe key fob. Now mine has been acting up for some time now, like literally for the past 2 or 3 months. Like it just doesn't work. Like I can't lock my car, I can't unlock my car. I got to use the actual key itself and like stick it in the slot on the door to unlock it if I can manage to get the key to lock it. So real quick, we're gonna go ahead and test and see if the key's working right now. It's a hit or miss if it does. Like I don't know what makes it work and what doesn't make it work. So okay, so right now of course it's working, so I'm not gonna get to show you guys exactly what it does, but pretty much for the past 2 or 3 months, like every time I go to unlock or lock my car, just nothing happens. And then when I go in my car and I press the push to start button, it tells me to insert the key. Like it doesn't think that the key's in the car. So I got to stick it in the thing in the center console glove box thingy, and then it'll start right up. But like it's just a huge nuisance because I can't lock my car out in public, and like it's just a pain in the ass basically. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change out the key fob battery. So I guess without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this one. One thing I did want to mention real quick before we hop into this video is that in last video I just wanted to say basically I do plan on doing everything I said that I was going to plan on doing to my car and then some. Like there's a lot more honestly that I didn't even talk about that I plan on doing, such as, you know, wrapping it, lights, just a bunch of small things here and there. Well, smaller things I guess here and there. And I 100% plan on making all that happen, but like I said, it is going to be extremely expensive, and unfortunately I'm not made of money, so it's going to take some time to put this all together. But trust me, it is going to happen. The first small mod will be here tomorrow, so we'll be getting that installed later this week. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video now. All right, everybody, we are inside sitting down at the table. Let's go ahead and jump right into this. So all you got to do is you got to take off the silver thing right here, the part that the key is actually in. And that's my cat, and hopefully he's going to not be a huge annoyance during this video and he'll stay out of my face. All right, we're gonna have to work fast because I'm sure he's gonna keep coming back to get right in my face. But yeah, so all you need is to take the silver thing and the key out. Then I have these nail clippers right here to make this easier, and there's this slot in it right here, and you just take the nail clippers and you twist, and then the key pops open. Then you kind of just pull it apart. Now hopefully you guys can actually see what I'm doing. I greatly apologize if this is a scuffed camera angle, but I'm pretty sure that you're able to see. But yeah, so then all you need to do is pop the battery out. Now this might be a little bit okay. So to pop the battery out, I'm going to need to use something. This might work, maybe. Yes sir, came flying right out. Now all you need is a 2032 battery. I got an Energizer, I got a 1-pack from Advanced Auto. This 1-pack cost me like $6. I know that you can get a 6-pack on Amazon for like $5. So yeah, get yours off Amazon if you need them. They're a lot cheaper. But all we got to do really is get this battery out of here now and use these nail clippers. Do a little bit of action like that, rip that piece open. Pull that out. Now you just take this tab off. It's more like a permanent marker for some reason. That's odd. Hopefully this battery's good. But you take the text side, the side with the text on it, facing down. Hold on, that's gonna make it too hard to go in there. So the side with the text on it, facing down, you just kind of push it down in there. Okay, so now that the battery's in here, let's go ahead and put the key back together. So you just line up these two little like slots on each side basically. This key's pretty dirty. Like the two little slots on each side, like so. And then you just kind of, believe you just kind of push it back together like that. And then you slide this silver key back in and you're good to go. Let's go give it a test real quick, see how it's working. All right, everybody, we just walked back outside. Now let's go ahead and see if it's working. Now it sounds like it's working, but as you guys saw, it was working correctly for me before, and it was not being a pain in the ass before I changed the battery. So now it's not the best time to test it, but just know that I'll give you guys an update in the next video basically to see if I have any more problems. Now I'm hoping this will be the solving factor in this, because it's really annoying not being able to start your car and you got to stick the key in there and unlock it with the actual key itself and whatnot, and it's just a pain in the ass. But this is going to conclude it for today's video. I just wanted to show you guys how to change the key fob battery basically on your Genesis Coupe, just in case any of you guys were wondering just like I was. So yeah, that is going to wrap it up for this one, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, do not forget to drop a like and subscribe. I did that wrong. Drop a like and subscribe. Peace out. I will see you guys in the next one.